What happens when the world's most famous chef discovers a new passion? Hint: it's not just about food anymore. Welcome to Gordon Ramsay Takes Flight. He's conquered the kitchen, and now Gordon Ramsay is taking on the skies of Florida. From the lush Everglades to sunny beaches, Ramsay is flying high, literally. He may be a Michelin-starred chef, but Gordon's not here for ingredients today. He's scouting locations for his next great aerial masterpiece. From the kitchen to the clouds, Chef Ramsay's passion for perfection soars higher than ever. Watch out, Florida. Gordon Ramsay is flying above, and who knows what he'll capture next.